Guys, today what we're going to be doing is we are determining whether or not ordered pairs are going to be solutions for a linear equation. So the first thing that I want you to notice is when we have an ordered pair, it represents an x and a y value. The first number represents our x value, so I'm going to highlight that in purple. And our second number represents our y value, so it goes in alphabetical order. The next thing that I want you to do is we're going to write down the original equation, y equal to 2x plus 3. And I'm actually going to do it in the same color. So we're going to have this as blue for the y, and then go back to black, equal to 2x for the purple plus 3. We have our y value and we have our x value as determined by the ordered pair. So I'm going to replace my y value with 5, because that's what y is equal to in this ordered pair. I'm going to replace my x value with 1, because that's what it is. Notice I wrote down a multiplication symbol. That's because when a letter, a variable in this case, or a variable is next to a number, that means multiplication. So that's why I wrote 2 times 1 plus 3. And then when we're checking to see if if this equation, if this ordered pair is a solution of the equation, we want to see, is this mathematical statement 5 equal to 2 times 1 plus 3? And when we do the math out, 2 times 1 is 3 plus 3. And then it does have that it does equal 5. So this ordered pair 1, 5 is a solution. So this is a solution. Well, what happens when it isn't a solution? Let's go ahead and look at our next example. So the same thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to label my x with purple. I'm going to label my y with blue. And I'm going to input it in the original equation that I am given. So you have y equal to x, hang on, I'm just writing out order, 2 times x plus 3. Go ahead, replace our y with our 6 this time, because that's our new ordered pair, and we're going to replace our x with 2. So what we have is 6 equaling to 2 times 2 and purple, because we replaced our x with 2, plus 3, and we're checking to see, is that a true statement? Is 6 equal to 2 times 2 plus 3? When we do the math out, we have 6 equal, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3, it is not equal. I'm going to go ahead and leave that last one for you, but know that for A, it is a solution, that is an ordered pair, that is a solution, but for B, 2, 6, it is not a solution. When we graph this, when we graph our equation y equal to 2x plus 3, I want you to remember that plus 3 is our y-intercept. So we're going to graph it right on the y-axis where that value is 3. Then we look at our slope. It is 2 right in front of our x. Remember, any number that doesn't have a denominator or a bottom number, we can assume is being divided by 1. So we can assume that this 2 is being divided by 1, and so we get a slope of 2 over 1. That means we go up 2 over 1 to get our new point. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw that line to represent y equal to 2x plus 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just draw that just like that. Now we want to see is, we're going to plot our pairs. I'm going to go ahead and plot the ordered pairs in a rainbow color. We have 1, 5, as you can see, lays right on the line. We've already said that this is a solution. Well, look, it's a solution, and it also happens to be on the line that represents y equal to 2x plus 3. What happens if we graph 2, 6? Well, 2, 6 is going to be right here, we can see it's pretty close, but it's not on the line. And we've already stated that this is not a solution. So what can we conclude? Well, all ordered pairs that are solutions graphically are on the line of the equation that we have. That's because the line, and I'm going to write this out because I feel this is very important, the line represents all solutions written in order pair, so they're all the combinations of x and y written in order pairs that satisfy the equation. So the line, let me just write out in one nice clean sentence. Line represents all solutions written in ordered pair. So hopefully now you have an idea of how to find out if an ordered pair is a solution to a linear equation, both by graphing the equation and seeing is that ordered pair on the line that you just graphed, or by confirming it mathematically to see when you substitute the y and the x values, do you get a true mathematical statement. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.